Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding week 9 of programming in Java. So friends, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any in between changes, you will be able to know them and correct them when only you will watch the video till the end. So coming to this video, friends, these are my probable answers. And coming to first question, which of the following is or are interfaces in javax.swing package? So friends, if you see this box layout is not a interface in swing package, so it is not correct answer. And also J component, it is also not an interface, so the interface are only two: menu element and scrollable. So mark option A along with option D. And coming to second question, friends, I hope these are all 100% correct answers, and I have given them after exactly knowing the answers. So there can be any partial answers, but I hope you will not get any errors. And coming to second question, which of the following listeners is or are not supported by button swing component? So action listener is supported by button, because if we click on a button, it is executing an event or a task. If you are clicking on a button, the task is executing or going to execute. It means there is an action listener, so that when we click on the button, it performs the task. So action listener supports, or action listener is supported by button function. So they are asking not supported, so it is wrong for this question. And change listener, we can change the listeners, and it is also correct only. It means it supports button component. According to question, this is wrong. So item listener is also supported by button. The only listener that is not supported by button is window listener. So mark option D as correct answer. And coming to third question, which of the following listener interface has an adapter class? So the answer for third question is component listener. So mark option C as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth one, to set a flow layout in a panel, says JP, it means we are taking an object for JPanel. And which of the following methods you can use? Friends, these can be the answers, and these two are definitely correct answers, and there may be also another answer, but I'm just sticking with these answers because you will get even partial marking. If you put anything wrong, whole problem or whole question will be wrong. So I'm just sticking to the basics, and I'm giving you the options. That is, first option is correct only. We can use like this: jp dot set layout of new flow layout, and this is correct only. And we are second option is also correct. You know this, flow layout dot center. So option A along with option B. Coming to fifth question, which package provides many methods for graphics programming? The answer for this is option B, that is java.applet. And coming to sixth question, in Java AWT, that is abstract windowing toolkit, text area and text field are subclass of. They are subclass of text component. The difference between text area and text field. Text field means only single line or a limited text is possible. Here we can write any plain text. So option C is the correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh question, they have given a code. So after compiling and interpreting, we will get the answer for seventh code actually. For seventh code as option B, that is cancel. And the answer for this is option B. Coming to eighth question, they have given a JLabel icon of int, and the int argument specifies horizontal alignment of labels contents within drawing area, which is valid constant for horizontal alignment. So actually horizontal alignment constants or constraints only two, that is right and left. They are only given right because it's a horizontal direction. In horizontal direction, left or right, they have given right but not left. And if you see this, leading, trailing, top, all belongs to vertical, but they have given horizontal. So that is answer A. So mark 8th answer is option A. After that, coming to ninth question, select the correct statements in the following. So the probability of the answer can be D is the probable answer. The class JPassword field extends class JLabel because it is inherited from JLabel. So I'm going with option D. So friends, if you have any doubts or any answers regarding this, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. So I will reply to those comments by validity. Coming to 10th and final question, which of the following is not related with keyboard event? So the answer for the 10th question is option D, that is the class input event should be imported explicitly in the program. I am going to submit these answers. So friends, I hope the video is helpful to you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.